Hello my dear friends, welcome in my channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you about world's greatest ancient stone-made monuments which will make you surprised and also curious. So let's enjoy this video. Stonehenge is a prehistoric monument on Salisbury Plain in Wiltshire, England, 2 miles approx 3 km west of Amesbury. It consists of an outer ring of vertical Saracen standing stones, each around 13 feet high, 7 feet wide and weighing around 25 tons, topped by connecting horizontal lintel stones. Archaeologists believe that it was constructed from 3000 BC to 2000 BC. The site and its surroundings were added to UNESCO list of World Heritage Sites in 1986. The Parthenon is a former temple on the Athenian Acropolis, Greece, dedicated to the goddess Athena, whom the people of Athens considered their patron. Its construction began in 447 BC when the Athenian Empire was at the peak of its power. It was completed in 438 BC, although decoration of the building continued until 432 BC. It is the most important surviving building of classical Greece. Mount Rushmore National Memorial is centered on a colossal sculpture carved into the granite face of Mount Rushmore in the Black Hills in Keystone, South Dakota. Sculptor Gutzon Borglum created the sculpture design and oversaw the project execution from 1927 to 1941 with the help of his son Lincoln Borglum. The sculpture featured the 60-foot heads of former American presidents George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. The memorial park covers 1,278 acres and the actual mountain has an elevation of 5,725 feet above sea level. The Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in Indian city of Agra. It was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. The tomb is centerpiece of a 17-hectare. Construction of the mausoleum was essentially completed in 1643, but work continued on the other phases of the project for another 10 years. The Taj Mahal complex is believed to have been completed in its entirety in 1653. The Taj Mahal was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. Angkor Wat is the largest religious structure temple complex in the world by land area, measuring 162.6 hectares located in Cambodia. Originally constructed as a personal mausoleum for the king Suryavarman II, dedicated to the Hindu Lord Vishnu in the early 12th century. It was converted into a Buddhist temple towards the end of 12th century and remains so in the present day. The Great Pyramid of Giza is the oldest and the largest of the pyramid in the Giza Pyramid Complex bounding present-day Giza in Greater Cairo, Egypt. It is the oldest of the 7 wonders of the ancient world and the only one to remain largely intact. Egyptologists conclude that the pyramid was built as a tomb for the 4th dynasty Egyptian pharaoh Khufu and estimate that it took up to 26 years to build and was complete almost 2560 BC. Initially standing at 146.5 meters, 481 feet, the Great Pyramid was the tallest man-made structure in the world for more than 3,800 years. It is estimated to weigh approximately 6 million tons and consist of 2.3 million blocks of limestones and granite, some weight as much as 80 tons. Moai statue in Rapa Nui are monolithic human figure carved by the Rapa Nui people on Easter Island in Eastern Polynesia between the years 1250 and 1500. The average height of the Moai is about 13 feet, with the average width at the base around 5.2 feet. These massive creations usually weigh around 12.5 ton, 13.8 ton each. The production and the transportation of the more than 900 statue is considered a remarkable creative and physical feat. Machu Picchu is the 15th century Inca citadel located in eastern Cordillera of southern Peru on a 2,430 meter, 7,970 feet mountain range. Most archaeologists believe that Machu Picchu was constructed as a estate for the Inca Emperor Pachacuti 1438 to 1472, often mistakenly referred to as the lost city of the Incas. It is the most familiar icon of the Inca civilization. Machu Picchu was built in the classical Inca style with polished dry stone walls. Machu Picchu was declared a Peruvian Historic Sanctuary in 1981 and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. In 2007, Machu Picchu was voted one of the new 7 wonders of the world in a worldwide internet poll. The Colosseum is an oval amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome, Italy. It's the largest ancient amphitheater ever built and is still the largest standing amphitheater in the world today, despite its age. Construction began under the Emperor Vespasian 69 to 79 AD in 72 and was completed in AD 80. The Colosseum is built of travertine limestone, tough volcanic rock, and brick faced of concrete. The Colosseum could hold an estimated 50,000 to 80,000 spectators at various points of its history over the centuries, having an average audience of some 65,000. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, or simply the Tower of Pisa, is the campanile or freestanding bell tower of the Cathedral of the Italian city of Pisa, known worldwide for its nearly 4-degree lean, the result of unstable foundation. The tower is situated behind the Pisa Cathedral and is the third oldest structure in the city Cathedral Square. The height of the tower is 55.86 meters, 183.27 feet from the ground on the low side, and 56.67 meters, 185.93 feet on the high side. The width of the walls at the base is 2.44 meter. Its weight is estimated at 14,500 metric tons, 16,000 short tons. The Great Wall of China is a series of fortifications that were built across the historical northern border of ancient Chinese states and Imperial China as protection against various nomadic groups from the Eurasian steppe. Several walls were built from as early as the 7th century BC, with selective stretches later joined together by Queen Shi Huang 220 to 206 BC. Little of the Queen Wall remains. The most well-known sections of the wall were built by the Ming Dynasty 1368 to 1644. The frontier wall built by the different dynasties have multiple courses. Collectively, they stretch from Liaodong in the east to the Loop Lake in the west, from the present-day Sino-Russian border in the north to Tao River in the south, along an arc that roughly delineates the edge of the Mongolian steppe, spanning over 20,000 km in total. Today, the defensive system of the Great Wall is generally recognized as one of the most impressive architectural feats in history. Thank you for watching this video. I hope my friends you like this video. Now see you on my next video.